Hello kids, let's learn alphabets. A is for apple, red apple. B is for banana, healthy banana. C is for cake, tasty cake. D is for drum. E is for egg. F is for fish. G is for grapes. H is for heart. I is for ice cream, cold ice cream. J is for juice. K is for cattle. L is for lamb. M is for monkey. N is for nut. O is for orange, juicy orange. P is for pig. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sunflower. T is for tomato. U is for umbrella. V is for vase. W is for watermelon. X for Xmas tree. Y is for yellow. And Z for zero.